Punyam Vachanasya. Let it be today is one of the auspicious day. Humble pranam to everybody. My learned friends, elders, our National Council members, our President A.B. Shukla ji, Justice Session Kapoor ji, and lovers of astrologers. And today I will address on this topic. It has been liked by the common man. That is planets and educational prospects. So that is the subject. So planet educations, yeah, we'll call it this way. We know the ancient philosophy in the Bhartrhari. Vidya Vagjala Yauvanam. The person who is learning.
Are they able to see the screen?
I think you are able to see my screen. Are you able to hear?
Okay. The screen also comes. Right?
Okay, thank you very much. And the philosophy of the, I think, one heading is indicate in a horoscope, we say start with in Yajnavalkya Smriti. Padavi Puri Punyanam Likyate Janmapatrika. The horoscope is the record of the native's past deeds in a symbolic or code language through planetary position in the zodiac at the time of birth. Thus, horoscope is the practical aspect of karma theory. As mentioned in Narada Purana, Avashyam Bhuktam Kratakarma Shubha Shubham. That means man is bound to experience in result of the past deeds. We call it as fate or destiny. Now, come to the subject. What is education? I think you are able to see the screen. Education is what to think and how to think. I feel in the process of learning different stages. There is a qualification acquired in any school, in college, university, which has aptitude for a native certain branch of education. This education, I start with the Parashari system, as we studied in the fundament of astrology. Education is the basic ingredient of the native according to the dharma, artha, kama, moksha, which has been displayed in the 12 houses of the zodiac. If we take the ascendant, all the 12 houses, importance will be given by the education. I repeat, education means EC, MC, DIP. Among the 12 houses, 7 faculties, 7 aspects is most important for the well-being of the person and worldly comforts. There, E, education, C for career, M for marriage, again C for children, again D for dhana, and I, ill health, P, the property. My topics, I shall come to the education. We have got 4 slabs: primary education, second house, the second lord, then we academical education, and moon, Karaka for the moon, and 5th house and 5th lord, intelligentsia. And also 5th house is also divine intervention, because suppose the 5th house is occupied by the malefic. If aspects of Jupiter are like a benefic planets, it will improve. Next one is the postgraduates or ninth house, ninth lord, higher education and all that. There comes the Jupiter. Here, moon is, role of the mind is moon. Mercury, we say intellect. Jupiter is the wisdom of the native. Please come to the next one. Now you see Buddhaditya Yoga, Saraswati Yoga, Hamsa Yoga, Bhadra Yoga. I think all the things you are come across in the fundamental astrology and basic Pravena and Vicharaka courses. No doubt, Buddhaditya, generally 80% of the population, Sun and Mercury conjunction or association will be there. So doesn't mean that all people are Buddhaditya Yoga will have a proper education and all that. So anyway, Saraswati Yoga, association of the Sun, Mercury, Mercury, Venus, and Jupiter also Saraswati Yoga. Hamsa Yoga, Panchamahapurush Yoga, Bhadra Yoga, that you know very well. Then more appropriately, we come to the divisional charts for the D24. Their Lagna horoscope, D1 chart and 2024. Even if the D24 chart, 8th house Mercury is the Karaka for the Mercury, significator. Even though it's an 8th house, there are exceptions. So you will have a proper education. Now you can see 11th, ultimately award. Whatever you have education, you have to link with the 11th house only. Now please come to the next one. See qualification. How to see qualification and all that. This is fundamental principle, 4th house, 4th lord, 4th house and Karaka for the moon. Then moon governs the mind, Karaka for moon, certificate acquisition. Qualification one makes one learned but not intelligent. I repeat, this is the difference. Those who are qualified need not be intelligent. Now, let us come to the another 5th house, which I already explained you. Karaka for the 5th house, Mercury. 5th house, intelligentsia, mental structure, and retentive power. So, this is also decided once again, divine intervention. Please come to the next one. So, now, what are the houses we have to interlink? Generally, according to the Paladipika, Bhavat Bhava principles are there. So 5th house, 10th house related, or second to second, then we read the horoscope is a general principle is like that. Therefore, second house for the consideration, the one carrier. So Karaka for this second house is also Jupiter. Second house is the inclination towards education. I repeat, second house is inclination towards the educations. So, and also Jupiter is the significator of the, not only second house, he is also significator of the financial strength or financial status. Now, another one, Mercury in the second house, third house, second house is all for the education purpose. We'll have to deal with the such bhavas. Now, last one is in this slide. 5th house is Atindriya Shakti. This is a extraordinary links. Jupiter, Venus, and Mercury in Kendra. I think you all know fundamental. This is one of the combinations. This is one of the ingredients. Okay, next please come to that. Memory, thoughts of memory. This is the 2159. 5th house is the auspicious sources, Trikona and all that you have come across. Here you have to make a note. If Rahu, Saturn join the 5th house, or 5th house is not as per the benefit, or Mercury, native will suffer from the poor memory. So this is one of the important rules you have to memorize. Then in summary, what you understand? Second house, level of education or inclination of education. 4th house, already you know, education, general education. 5th was mind and merit. So now these are the 3 planets. You're able to, okay?
Yeah, no, it's
Now it's okay, okay. Now, okay, are you able to? Yeah, I think so. Jupiter is the significant education, Mercury, and to the intelligence. These are common links. It's not them. So all education and professional not linked. This is your place. Make a note. Education. I repeat. From education, we take Mercury, the Karak for the jury, whereas profession is a Saturn. That you are going to come to know in the later slides. So no way connection at all. It is essential to keep the education and profession in separate from each other. Now I give it simple combinations. People who are in the strong particular planets or in Shiva houses, auspicious houses, or Kendra Trikona. These are all the tables which I given. This you can memorize or you can take it conveniently. I need not read out. This is general application of the planets and nature and education-oriented courses and all that. So mainly, I am in the view. I think mainly academical thing Dhatu, Moola, Jiva. I think these are the three ingredients are there. This is not in the slide. Dhatu, Moola, Jiva. Dhatu means metal, engineering applications, and Mars and Sun, Saturn, if they are in the watery sign. Then Moola, agriculture-oriented science and biochemistry, science and all that. That is that planet we can link it. Third one is Jiva, human science. So there it comes for the medical-oriented science, that Jupiter and Venus, Jivanamukti, like that, the Sun, Jupiter and Sun, which you can correlate it in the next slides and all that. That we will see in the next slides. Okay, next please. Okay, now it is another principle which I am linking with the this Nadi. My dear friends, I don't want to confuse of the Nadi and general astrology. Generally, people are thinking in different Nadi. Nadi means pulses also there. In marital marriage also Nadi Kota is there. And we have in Nadi of say breathing, inhaling and exhaling. And a healthy person of reading the inhaling to 21,610 to the breathing and all that. Then other Nadis are means based on the Chandrakala Nadi and Vidya Madhavyam Nadi, Mysore Oriental works, Madras Oriental works. Like that, different Nadis are there. So I don't want to confuse in that way. So now I precisely come to the subject. When I say this Nadi, this Lagna will not arise. I repeat, Lagna or Parashari methods of the aspects. Planets like Jupiter has got a seventh or some aspects. Of course, Saturn has got a third and 10th aspect. And Mars has got a fourth and eighth aspect. Doesn't arise. I repeat, these aspects you will know come next slides. Now here what happened, this combination you please make a note. When I say education, Mercury will become as good as ascendant or Lagna. It is not Lagna, it is Mercury. From the Mercury, we are connecting to the different line of career growth or academical line. This is the combination one can memorize. So this I have worked out in so many horoscopes with all the general astrology. This is more accuracy, more precisely it works out. I repeat, my dear friend, this principle you may adopt it and it will be more accurate, more and more practically. So I understand that you are going through the simple Mercury, Moon, Venus, which already given, architecture, Mercury, Jupiter, the MBA, commercial ventures, that engineering and separate and Mercury. All this Mercury, and Mercury Ketu Rao, here is important, he is in poor in education. Now, Mercury, Rahu, Mercury, this is civil engineer, computer science. Why we say computer science? Because Rahu is the Maya, Rahu is the, telemetry screen, a television, or your computer screen. So a person is working in the computer screen, the Rahu comes there. And Ketu comes there. That is why Rahu, Ketu, one and the same. So those who have got Mercury Mukhi there, they are very best, very good computer engineer, computer applications, and wireless communication people are there. So this is how I worked out in some combination, which you can see in the next slide. Then Mercury, Rahu, see again Rahu is the imagination. So Rahu is the center of Rahu, or Mercury, Moon, Rahu, next, gynecology. And Mercury, Moon, and Rahu, some anesthesia doctor, you know very well. Anesthesia means all photographic image and all that. So there's also some other lines which I have not shown here. So, and Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, this is the teacher or the medical technicians. Anyway, all these slides, you may get it in the later stage. Okay, this combination you can memorize, you can apply for the any native. Please come to the next one. Now, please see that carefully. Because of the to understand the South Indian and North Indian, this is the one simple chart. This is not relevant to any community, any people. How the combinations are charts and all that, which we are telling. This is the, just imagine it. This basic zodiac is the sign wise, sign direction wise. I repeat, direction means we studied in the South, ESWN, East, South, West, North, like that. East side, this diagram says in the Mesha Lagna, East means Aries, then same East come to the next side is there. It is a Leo sign, then Jupiter, the Sagittarius. This is how you have to read the horoscope, where Mercury is there, that way you have to see that. So when you see that, now you enjoy whether it is the East, whether it is the South, whether it is the West, whether it is the North, same triplicality. Triplicality means tripod, trinity, or simple language is the tri. I repeat, this is called tri. This is how you have to read. So let us not make any confusion. I am convincing you. You see that this combination, this is the beauty of the Nadi. And you need not have different, okay, the general astrology also is 4th to 5th, so many things you make, it doesn't matter. But this is the first and more accuracy is able to read that. Only thing is, please remember this direction wise basic zodiac chart. So 159 is always very important. Then just like a opposite house is there. I repeat, you see, for example, you say, slide is coming there. Suppose opposites, I mean East and West is opposite. There also planets is there, some influence will be there. So I think it is not there. Anyway, South direction means connected with the all South direction. Suppose in this horoscope, South means Vrashaba, Taurus sign. Okay, Taurus sign connection will be there in the Kanya, Virgo. Now we have North direction, see there. See, there is a Cancer sign, Vrashika, Scorpio sign. Then you can see for that North sign of the Pisces. This is the combination of the 159. I think you understand. It's simple logic. Based on this logic, educational pursuit, educational prosperity, which I'm going to give you some horoscope, how to read a horoscope according to this principle only. Now, I'm not hurrying you. I think my allotted time is 40-45 minutes. I think it may come to the almost nearing something at 15 minutes there. Okay. Now, this is one case. This is one person, the native of the Stephen Hawking. You might have heard he lived up to 76, and there's a medical doctor says that he may not live more than 25-26 years.
Alta sir, you have time with you, so you need not to worry. You have
thank you,
20 minutes time, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Because I will not rush up because
I know, 20 minutes are there, sir.
People are new to this subject. That is why I want to go slowly. And again I like to repeat that. Okay, thank you. So you see that now I said in the previous principle, Mercury is the base. Mercury is as good as ascendant, right? Now you see this horoscope, Mercury and Jupiter combinations are there. Go back. So there is a Stephen Hawking. He is a physicist and he is a research in cosmology. See, when I say cosmology, cosmos was means the significance of the cosmos in Nadi is the Rahu. So Rahu is connected with the retro Jupiter. I repeat once again, in the Nadi or in general astrology, planet in retro is most important. We are not considering for the retro planets, but here Jupiter means is the rear side influence at Aries sign. 50% of the influence will go to from Taurus to the Aries sign. When I say Jupiter has gone to there, and he has got a moon, is the moon for the mind. It's the mind. Moon and round of many the cosmos of the Brahmanda, and Jupiter is the knowledge and wisdom. He has got a hidden talent is there. Say when I say that Jupiter is shifted to the Aries sign, I repeat, Aries, that is the Leo, that is the Simha, and he come to the Sun. So he made a lot of research in that way, in that field. That is why the world recognize him. And those who are predicted for the lives is short lived, because of the Jupiter is the retro, because of the Jupiter is a Sanjeevani, or he gives the longevity of the native, Jivatma Yoga has come there. So Jupiter and Sun retro, Jivatma Yoga is got it. Jivatma Yoga. So you please think that Jupiter is the retro, and Mars is the willpower. Strong willpower he has got to survive, to do something to the common man, for the cosmos and all that. So this is the cosmos's conjunction, the moon Rahu in research in cosmology. Yes. Sorry. So I feel this is one of the example which I am sharing with you, right? Okay. Yeah. So please come to the next one. Ah. Sir, I think the person must be, you are all aware, he is Karnataka, Moksha-Gundam Vishweshwaraya. I think he has lived up to 100 years. He has been honored with the country's highest award, Bharata Ratna. Now we will let us think about this academical education, which field he was success, and which field he was had the name for the country. Simple reason. Now you see the horoscope before go for the give the prediction. Planet you see where the exchange of planets are there, or connectivity is there, some degree wise of planetary constellations are there. These are all things to be considered. I repeat, Mercury you please see that Mercury in Cancer sign, and Jupiter and Moon is a Parivartana. I repeat, Cancer is the Lord of the Cancer is the Moon, and Sagittarius is the Jupiter. So that the exchange of planets are there. Now you see, Jupiter comes to the Sagittarius and Moon go to the Cancer sign. So when you say Cancer sign, all the faculty which I was telling in the earlier one, the charts of the Moon, Mercury and Ketu. I repeat, Moon, Mercury and Ketu is the man of the intellect. And he is the intellect in which area? Because this Cancer sign is the water sign. And also, that is why he has learned with the engineering in civil pursuit. So, and also he has he got the recognitions. And also another thing is, when it say interchange of planet between Jupiter and Moon, Jupiter will be connected with the Mars. So we say Guru Mangala Yoga. So Mars is Kartikeya Guru. And he has got a tremendous challenge in his knowledge. If I don't mistake me, there is similar combination with Guru Mangala Yoga, Adi Shankara, Shankaracharya, Bhagavad Gita, that combination he has got. You go for the history of the legend of our peoples in Hindu philosophy, the Adi Shankara, that's knowledge he has got. And Jupiter is converted to the Dhanush sign, and Jupiter is aspecting the Saturn and Sun, and he is a Jivatma Yoga, and also, and it is a trine of the natural zodiac. I repeat, trine of the Mesha, Simha, Leo, and Sagittarius sign. So he has got a Dojakirti yoga. And when they say Jupiter in normal condition in Ketu, is a Dojakirti yoga and also Guru Pita. So government of India has recognized his merit for the cause of the people, because Saturn is the cause of the people, cause of the masses, for the Bharata Mata. So in this concern, when they say Mata, moon is in the one house. Moon is in the Simhasana. I think all these descriptions are there in my notes analysis. You can read comfortably. And this is the important things which my guru has given. He was born in 1860, around more than 100 years back. We live up to that. So this is one of the cases. Please come to the next one. Now you see, here is the IS officer, and not only officer, he is basically the engineering degree, the man of BTech. And I said in somewhere, now you see, please go through the Mercury only, because we are talking about the education pursuit, education prospectus and education prospects. Mercury, you see the same combinations, Mercury, Mars, and Ketu. Okay. Now, what made him to study for engineering? Because BTech is the engineering line. Now, he said that, so I opened. Mars is the challenge, and Mars or Jupiter, mutual aspects is there. I repeat, Jupiter is the seventh aspect. Seventh means it is a direct 180-degree aspect. So Mars is in the Gemini sign, and Jupiter is in the Sagittarius Dhanus sign. So Jupiter, Mars, or Mars and Saturn is the Dhatu, metal. So that make him to learn this learning the BTech engineer. Another thing is also there, which I have not shown you in my earlier slide. You see, when I say north direction, this is the direction, this is the east side. That means Jupiter is in east side. Okay. Again, also Mercury is in the west side. That means opposite to house. Simple reason is when you are in house in the street, your opposite house is always able to see that. So here Jupiter and Saturn, Venus, and Mercury is also opposite. There, 50% of influence on the education. So this is the one of the things which I have got. Now after he make them the IS cadre, and he was in the 17th rank. Yeah. So because Jupiter and Saturn give the knowledge him, and of course Mercury was not involved, but Mercury and the Sun is also important at the 159. That tested, he was able to get IS cadre. Okay, thank you. Go next one, please. No, it is the medical science. This is the one person lady. Go back. Please go back. You know very well, all this medical science, generally you have come across in the medical science, there must be a necessary Jupiter and Sun, Jupiter and Mars, and Jupiter and Ketu connections are required. All this mostly Jupiter and Ketu means Moksha Vidya. This is 159. Because Jupiter and Ketu nearby only. But here, please make a note, again, interchange of planet. Please go back. Yeah. See, now, Aries sign and Taurus sign. That is the exchange of planets, please read that. When I say please means, Mars come to the Aries sign. Okay. Right. So Mars and Venus interchange. So Mars in Venus sign, Aries, and Venus goes to that one sign of the Parashava. Now you see, Mercury is the education, which I already telling. Mercury is the base significant for the education for the Karaka. The general astrology, even Nadi is only the Mercury. There is no Lagna. Aspect means 159 or opposition house, seventh 177. Now you see the Mercury and Ketu. So this is the lady, basically very shrewd, academically very strong. Since Mercury is interchange with the Aries sign, there is a combination called Jupiter and Mars, where Sun is also there. I repeat, Sun is what? Sun is soul, human soul. So Jupiter and means Jivatma Yoga. And Mangala means what? It is the gynec planets or any medical planet or surgical planets. So when I say Guru Mangala is a surgical, and she studied the medically gynecologist female doctor. So, and she was not only that, and because of the Guru and Mangala, Guru and Sun, she was having highest ranking in government of India or in the state level. She got some ranking also there in her field. So the reputation also got it. Not only learned in the ordinary gynecologist, she got the recognition in her profession or in the academic life. This is one of the simple combinations. So only thing is Parivartana, you please make a note. That's all. Okay, next one, please. Now, see now, this is also similar to the which I already shown that biochemistry PhD man is a scholar, and this scholar now is the same principle. You see that Mercury is the significant of education, Mercury and Ketu, Mercury and Moon. This combination says wireless communication. I repeat, this Mercury Ketu, that means Antaryami. There is a language called Antaryami, which you are already seen that. Not only he may be this person cannot be said in the CBI. That means Central Bureau of Investigation also he can work. But he took this some other line because you see that now. You see the beauty of the horoscope. Say now you see when I say education, Jupiter is also considered for the higher wisdom, higher knowledge. Here you see Venus and Rahu combinations are there. Venus and Rahu is the Sanjivini. Venus and Rahu biochemistry, and Rahu and Venus is the same degree. So that he is a biochemistry man, he has research in biochemistry, and he find out that the cancer research event. People are in the vaccine institution, people are in the some of the vaccine, they research that. You see the combinations of the people have that. And also, you see Saturn is little retro, some recognition also he got it. So this is the beauty. But one thing is, when Moon and Mercury Ketu, sometimes without knowingly in current event in the life sojourn journey, he may get the blame also, and he had a blame also. This is for because higher which I have not shown. In the 2017, please make a note. In the year 2017, when Ketu was in Capricorn sign, please make a note, Capricorn sign. When Ketu, Capricorn sign, Mercury, Moon, Ketu, and transits, Ketu comes there, he had a blame from the subordinate. So that was a still time because Mercury is the friends and Moon and Mercury, all the time they are not friends. There may be a voice also will be there. They are also, they make enemy also, they may take. Not intentionally, they not be done intentionally, knowingly, unknowingly, he get the blame. So this is not shown in this horoscope. Okay. But he is the intellectual guy. Okay, that's one. Now, similar to same horoscope, you will know the Albert Einstein scientist, you know very well. Same Mercury and Ketu, please contact. This is the 1879. There, the gentleman, earlier scientists were the 1969. Almost 80, 90, 100 years difference. Say, here, Moon and Mercury, and he has made the research on particular theory, and he has the intellect man, Saraswati Yoga. Venus and Mercury gives him Saraswati Yoga, and his research was law of relativity or theory of relativity, and he was one of the, he is able to get the Nobel Prize in those periods. So Nobel Prize winner. So this is the one thing which I am sharing with you. Now another 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes. Okay. Right. Next one, please. Now, last one. So, okay, see, this is the, no, not that. Not that, next one. Yeah, no, next one. Yes, yes, yes. Now you see people. I think I just like to share with my view. This person again, Mercury, Mars, and Ketu. You please see that. These are the triangle 159. Mercury is from Tula, Libra sign. Ketu is in Maka Kumbha sign, and Mars is in Gemini sign. This Mercury again wireless communication, but this guy has got a intellectual ego. See, there is a combination in Nadi. Those who have got Mercury and Ketu and Mars, please make a note. I repeat, Mercury, Ketu, and Mars is triangular. They have got intellectual ego. So no doubt he is a very short. I mean, very sharp in his application. But please see my notes there. When I come to the work, he did not success because you see the beauty when Saturn and Jupiter and Rahu. You see, Saturn is same 19 degree in Dhanus, and Rahu is in Simha in Dhanus. Simha, Rahu is in Dhanus. So this triangular Rahu Saturn, Rahu work, he spoil his work. He don't have patience in the work. So that he did not succeed. And that is why in our noble thoughts we say plentiful knowledge and pitiful earning. I repeat, in this horoscope is such a one example, plentiful knowledge, no doubt, and pitiful earning. So this is one example I like to share with you. Now, I think there are some combinations. Are there anything like? No, the next one is it. Okay, now, it is almost the conclusion, but in between I can share something. Before that, I got one. I think another 5 minutes are there. I will share something about it before you come to this paper. Now you have seen the most of the horoscope, which has seen the how they become so much of names and fames in their field. So there is one text, and people there are some tips in our Jyotisha: fortunate and unfortunate period in life. I repeat, fortunate and unfortunate period in life. This is the formula you can make for any individual. You can test for any person. And what I have gone through this pattern is based on this principle only. Please go through. I just repeat slowly. Should Jupiter or Moon be oriental place in zodiac, man achieve success early in life. I repeat, should Jupiter or Moon be in oriental place in zodiac, man achieve success early in life. Next combination. Should Jupiter or Moon be occidental man, occidental. I will explain later. Men achieve success late in life. So what you understand, the signs from Aries to Virgo. I repeat, the sign from the natural zodiac Aries to Virgo are said to be a oriental or eastern sign. Eastern sign from the east, that is from eastern side. Now sign from Libra to Pisces sign is said to be occidental or western side of the zodiac in a birth chart or in native. Now please watch my statements now carefully. Saturn and Mars is found in western side. I repeat, Saturn and Mars in a western side. That means Tula, Libra to Pisces sign, which is said to be cause chart at birth, Rashi chart at birth, cause long and be is a person of the unlucky man, and he is a long attack on sickness. I repeat, he long attack on sickness. Besides, in unlucky of the next person. More planets on the western side, western side of the zodiac is also life is challengeable. On the contrary, planets in oriental denotes or in the eastern side, which is Aries to Virgo sign, enjoy better result in this present life due to good karma in his life. I repeat, contrary, planet in oriental or eastern side of the natural zodiac, that is Aries to the Kanya, that is Virgo sign, better result in the and enjoy better result in his present life due to good karma in his life. Planet owning a house or exalted planet in eastern side, early success. You know very well, in the natural zodiac, majority planets, eastern side, like Sun, Moon, Jupiter, Mercury, they're all from, they are getting one house, they are also exalted house, they are also some their friendly house. So this is all the people have a comfortable lives. I repeat, it is irrespective of the lagna. I am giving this an irrespective of the lagna. If the planets are in this direction, they are early successful with there. So contrary, if Mars and Saturn in the western side, there are challengeable life in their birth. Now, see for example, in the I think our history, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, and Aurobindo Ghosh. They're all people have in the eastern side. That is why they are in the contribute to the country, their names and fames early success in their life. So I think I'm in the last page of this, which I'm sharing with you now. I think God created a person with that note I'm sharing to you. And one thing, last meaning which I'm sharing with you, according to the Kalidasa, one text I'm sharing with you, Bhushananam Bhushanam Savinay Vidya. Learning by humility among the ornament. My dear friends, my learned scholar, my learned people, Bhushananam Bhushanam Savinay Vidya. Learning by humility among the ornaments. So with this, I think our Dr. By the memory of the Dr. B.V. Raman, of the founder president, and our present President A.B. Shukladi, our Satish Kapoorji, and all our Dr. T.S. Vasan, I recall, and these people are contribute to the world, and I will say that they are working for the cause of the people, and it is a meaning for the divine intervention. So with this knowledge for the ICAS family, and at large, and their blessings are required. And with like this, I must thanks to the organizer and chapter of Noida, chapter chairman, and Pradeep Chaturvedi, and learned scholars once again give this opportunity.